Oh my gosh, I have nothing to eat.
Have you heard of the fridge?
Oh my god, where did you come from?
Have you heard of the fridge?
I'm in the fridge.
No, silly, the app.
The app?
Yeah, the fridge app helps keep track of what's inside your fridge and comes up with recipes for you to make.
That's so cool.
Yeah, like last night I made this super good dinner. You can actually check it out if you follow me.
Follow you?
Yeah, the fridge lets you follow your friends and see what they're up to.
Woo! I can't wait to upload these pictures to the fridge. Give it to me.
Wow, I'm gonna go download the fridge right now.